Good evening, it's Brian here at Fitzpatrick's garage in Dublin Road, Kildare. I want to show you this car here. This is an Audi A3. This car used to belong to my mammy. So we are a main Hyundai dealer. This car is not for sale through the garage. So it's just my mum. She's bought a Civic and we're just, the family are just selling her old car. So she has had this car since 2009, so she had it 10 years. We actually traded it into the garage 10 years ago. Wow, it doesn't feel like that. 10 years ago we traded it into the garage. It was a real nice tidy car when it came in, and my mother is quite easy on a car, so it's had a pretty easy life since. So it's an A3 1.6 petrol. It went through the NCT quite recently, so it's got an NCT until 9 of 20. And then as a 1.6, it is €514 for the year for road tax. I've driven this car a lot myself over the years, and it drives very well still. Bodywork, it is a 13-year-old car, so it's got some marks, but to be fair, at the front of the car, down here, and I wouldn't mind the annoying thing about this only happened about 2 weeks ago. But anyway, somebody had reversed into her in a car park or something like that, but they went off, so we never found out. So a small little mark along through there at the front, and then around to the side, everything is pretty good. One thing that always sticks out, there is a little bit of a blemish just along here. It's hard to see, and it's like where someone years and years ago put a handprint on the outside of the car, and we've just never been able to compound and buff it off. Probably hand cream or something like that. But to be fair, the rest of the driver's side of that car is in very nice condition. The rear of the car is in nice condition, and again, some of these actually are new, so they might still compound and buff, but overall it is extremely presentable. One other thing is this area here is starting to peel, so whether you'd get a new one maybe or something like that, or one from a second-hand car. But to be fair, as A3s go, it's very, very presentable for a 2006 A3. It does look well on the outside, and then on the inside, condition is so this is, she's literally just dropped it in this evening, so this is exactly what it's like on the inside. So condition is quite nice. My mum is retired, so the car does very little, and she plays a bit of golf, that kind of stuff. So in terms of condition overall, the car is quite tidy. So I'd be surprised if anyone comes to look at the car and they were unhappy with what they see. Usual electrics for windows and mirrors and all that kind of stuff. These are all in good condition. The controls for the lights. The car's done about 144,000 kilometers, 145. But again, driver's seat and just general wear inside. The only wear really on the inside of the car is this little button on the climate control here is a little bit worn, but other than that, it's pretty nice throughout, and it drives really well. You'll come see it yourself. This car drives really, really well, as in the engine is good, the gearbox is good, everything is doing what it's meant to do, the cabin is quiet, so I think it's in very nice condition overall. So anyway, if the car's of interest, give me a shout. Brian's my name. Thanks for taking time to watch.